Hey guys, it's Rob here. Alright, so before we get on with the room tour, Lori and I, before we boarded the ship, we went and checked out the Harborview 9/11 Memorial Park. It's pretty spectacular. You really need to check it out if you ever go and leave on a cruise ship out of Cape Liberty. So here's a few pictures of that, then we'll get on with the room tour. Hey guys, so it's Lori and Rob. We're on Liberty of the Seas. And this is our room. We're going to do a room tour now. We're in cabin number 8682. And since it's our anniversary, here's our door. Let's go in. So here we are in our cabin, or our cabin, and since it's our anniversary, we did get the anniversary package. So there's our little thing that says I do and happy anniversary from Royal Caribbean. There's our little couch, our little table, the bed. Alright, so downside to a guaranteed cabin is you might get a connecting room, which is what we got. But it is what it is, and any day on a cruise ship is better than a day at work. Here's our room. We were trying to hide over there. She can't hide, I got her. And we're wearing our matching anniversary cruise shirts. So it says our anniversary, 20th anniversary. So that's that. We already set our room up for as much as we could, considering we don't have our luggage yet. So there's the view from by the balcony. And we will go outside. Door is a little balcony. Are you coming up? And here's our balcony. Got two chairs. It'd be nice to be sitting out here while out at sea. And here's our lovely view of the port. There's a really good view of the Teardrop Memorial. For those who do not know, the Teardrop Memorial was a gift to the United States by Russia. It was gifted by Vladimir Putin. And in the background back there, you can see the Verrazano Narrows Bridge. And here's everybody still working to load the ship up. Oh, there comes some more baggage. That's deck 4 right there, where the bump out is for the main dining room. And yeah, so that's our room, and that's our view. We'll catch you guys later when we're upstairs doing something else more fun.